What you're looking at here is a double nail right into my brand new Pirelli Angel GT tire. And that barely over 100 miles. I just broke in the tire and got these nailed right in there somehow. A lot of construction in here in Claremont, so gotta be, I have to avoid a lot of roads around here. But anyways, I'm hoping to plug this tire at least well enough and safe enough. This is a double nail. I'm not going to trust it much to just get to my local motorcycle dealership and replace the tire for me, because I don't have the tools to do that, but I just want to get there safe enough to do that. So got a tire toolbox kit. Comes with patches and plugs and rubber cement and the prep tools to put the plugs in. Gloves, of course, because this stuff is sticky as all hell. Needle nose just to yank the nails out and see what happens, and something to cut the excess plugs with it. So I'm trying to yank these out now safely, not doing too much more damage. Alright, here's the plug, supposed to feed it through halfway. So that needle plunging tool, this rubber cement. I'll give the nail some good use and plug it, break it open. Okay. Supposed to feed it on both sides, like halfway in each end, all around, so it catches well. See how it goes. Everybody, so these are the two nails that I yanked out of the brand new Angel GT Pirellis. Here's the spot. Let's see what happens. The manual says to fill it up to manufacturer's specified pressure. So for this one, it's 42 psi for the rear. So let's see if we can handle it. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna take it out. It's 42. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come back later, look in an hour, see if there's a leak, see if it maintained the pressure. It should maintain the pressure for at least a day or so. If it's a little less, that's fine. I just want to get to the dealership and swap out the tire. I mean, there's double holes. I mean, it's rolling the dice, man. I go to the highways. I don't like the idea of, they say 60 miles per hour is what they recommend maximum. So you can't do that Florida Turnpike. Speed limit 70, and you know how that goes. You have to maintain 80 just to, pass traffic in a decent fashion. If you want to really gun it, sometimes they go 90 just to get away from certain careless drivers. You gotta get out of there. I took it off my stands, let it see if it could support the weight, and let's see where it is. Try to zoom in on it, see the patch itself. There it is. So those are the two, hopefully it'll focus soon. Yeah, those are the two patches. Seems I sealed up really good, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check see how much pressure was lost. It says 41.5. The right lighting on it, just as you guys see. So slight leak. Seems like a half a pound. So this is the thing. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on it for a while. Actually, I ordered one online, a new one, because I just don't trust the plugs or even a patch going 80, 90 miles an hour. I'm sure some of you guys might have done that. But to me, it's like rolling the dice after what I read from professionals and tire manufacturers. Did my homework on this, and it's kind of like the kind of damage I sustained in this tire with two nails is so close together. It's really just to get it to the motorcycle shop safely, just to replace it. So that's all I got. But hope you learned from something. If you have any questions, just post in the comments, and I'll try to answer back.